Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford Focus. And this fob has been used since 2011 to present. So if your fob looks like this is how you change the battery if it's gotten low or died. So key here is we've got to separate this key fob into two pieces. You can see this line that goes all the way around the key itself, and inside is the internal battery. Now the key to changing this is just a little notch right here in the upper right if you're looking at the fob like this. And you can stick a flathead screwdriver in there, or I actually like just using another key, and stick that in there and then twist, and you can get a little bit of leverage to start to get some separation between these two pieces. And you can kind of work your way towards this middle where you might put like a key ring, twist there, and these two pieces will pop off, and you've got access to the internal battery, which is a CR2032 3-volt battery. Go ahead and pop that out, and that'll fall right out. And then when you replace this with a new one, just make sure that the positive side of the battery, the CR2032, is facing you, and pop that back in there. Kind of bounces a little bit. There's a little rubber backing here. Just make sure that if it comes off, just make sure you replace it the same way, because it does kind of help keep this battery connections in place. So when you pop this back on, you can just snap it back together. Make sure everything's all tight, and there you go. That's how you replace the coin battery on Ford Focus. If you've got this fob from 2011 to present. And again, battery you'll need is a CR2032, and I'll put a link to that at the bottom.